Hey everyone, this is Brent Cody. I am the CEO and founder of SureLink AI, and today we released our first ever public release of our desktop app. I'd like to show you how to use it. So if you go to our website, surelink.com, and you click on the download button, you can request access to this. So you'll get a passcode that's free of charge to use. Just give us some input on what you like and what you don't like. Once you download the app, and it works for Windows, Mac, or Linux, it will pull right up on your computer. The current version of this does not require you to download a local large language model. It just works right off the bat. So the first thing you're going to notice about this is how fast it is. Say we just have a general prompt. Maybe we don't want anyone to know. We want to stay private. Give me a detailed approach to using AI for a small business. It generates responses at 380 words per second. So it's very quick to iterate with this. So you can drill into specifics, or you could do summaries. Write this into a memo with bullet points and no tables. So you've still got the functionality to export that into Microsoft Word if you'd like. You have the ability to export it into PDF, or you have the ability to edit or ask questions about it. But the big thing about it is it's private. There is no off-device data storage. So it's a really great tool to use if you want to maintain your privacy while using AI. Most of the processing takes place on device. So when you're working with files, or when you're saving your chat histories, or any of the data storage is completely on device. The only thing that is off device is the large language model inference. Basically, the question answering happens off device. But we are using a secure provider that does not keep a record of any of your chats or any of your questions or any of your answers, and expunges all of that. So it's a very, very secure solution compared to everything else out there. So apart from privacy, the second big benefit is the ability to work with your files. And so if you click on this plus button and go to SureLinks, creating a SureLink is how you're able to interact with large amounts of files. So we are going to sync meeting minutes folder. That is about 800 PDFs in there. You can set timeouts where it will pass by files that are taking a long time, and you can limit the number of pages you sync per file. We'll just go with the defaults here. And that just synced 784 files that fast. And now we can ask any questions about it. So give me a history of our pH issues. So now it's going to go through and it's going to generate a response based upon those 700 files and pull that information for me and give me information about what my pH issues were on those 800 meeting notes. This is all public data that we're working with right now, but you can work with your private data very confidently with this. You can have it pull specific informations. So give me the meeting notes that mentioned our last decision about the Bella Foundation. Pulls it up, gives you links to files that we've synced. And all of this I mean, all of this syncing and all of this ability to ask questions is done very, very quickly. We synced a repository of 800 files, or 784 files, and we're able to ask questions about it and get good information from it immediately. So I think that's the big benefit of using SureLink. You're very quick and very secure knowledge access. One other thing to show you, we have a templating function in here. This is more information is going to be coming on this, but you have the ability to add a template and then get information or rewrite that template based upon prompts. That keeps your formatting. We'll be showing more of this in a follow-up video. But I appreciate your time. It's a fairly simple to use tool, and I think it can be very, very effective for knowledge access, especially if you would like to keep your data private. So thanks, everyone. Appreciate it.